Hey crew, today we're gonna make some chili and I hope all is well with everybody. And here are the ingredients that we'll be using for the chili. We're gonna use chili beans, diced tomatoes with roasted garlic and onions, tomato sauce, and we're gonna use the chili seasoning. And this is a quick and easy and simple recipe for the family that won't take long. Okay crew, I'm browning my hamburger meat, and only thing I added to the hamburger meat was salt and black pepper. And I'm allowing it to brown, then I will drain the hamburger meat, and then I will start adding everything to the chili. Okay crew, happy Sunday. We're gonna make a quick and easy and simple chili. And I browned my meat, and we're gonna use 3 of the 1.25 ounces of the chili seasoning. And how everyone doing today? Let us know what you're cooking. If you watch football, let us know who you're going for on this Sunday. And I hope everyone doing well. And I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving and enjoyed, the family, the food, the laughter, and making memories. That's what it's all about. So I just mixed this up. And we're going to go in with our diced tomatoes. And we're going to use 2 cans of the diced tomatoes. It's 14.5 ounce. Well, let me correct myself. We're going to use 3 cans. And 1 can of tomato sauce. Since we're not draining these, we're going to only use 1 can of tomato sauce. And this can is 15 ounces. And we're just going to mix this up really well. And we're not going to drain our chili beans either. And if I can give y'all 3 words today to encourage y'all, it would be don't give up. Continue to press your way. No matter what you're going through, no matter what situations or hardships or battle you may face, don't give up. Because when you're about to give up, that's when your breakthrough about to come. So just continue to keep the faith, remain strong, stand 10 toes down, and speak positivity into your life. Speak over your life. Don't allow anything to stop you in life. It's so easy to give up. So don't give up. That'll be my encouragement for today. And we just dump the chili beans, the diced tomatoes, and the tomato sauce in here. And we're going to allow this to cook down. We're going to bring it to a boil. Then we're going to allow it to simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. And when it's ready, I'll bring you guys back. Okay. We allowed the chili to simmer for 45 minutes at least. And this is what it looked like. And I also went in with some bell pepper off camera to give it that extra little kick. And we're going to make a bowl. And we're gonna go in with some sharp cheddar. and a little bit of sour cream. And this our quick and easy and simple chili. I hope you guys try it. I will leave all the instructions and directions in the description box. And if you're new over here, please subscribe to the channel. Like the videos, comment on the videos. Make sure you hit the bell and set post notifications to all. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. And we out. Cool it is.